Here we are. I'll go to some vending machine. A classy vending machine. Let me show the classy vending machine. I want M&Ms. Oh god, here we go.
Is there a different machine?
Probably on every floor.
Drew, you know that SpongeBob episode where it goes firmly grasp it? Firmly grasp it. I just want the M&Ms.
Here, hold both pieces.
What?
Like, yeah.
Okay, 3 people to put $1 bill in the vending machine. Alright, clearly it's not gonna work.
Alright, let's
Where's
go
the
down
next
the
one?
floor.
Alright, we're going down a floor. Where's this? I'm not taking the stairs. I want the elevator.
What are you taking?
What's that? It's weird.
It's sweet.
Is the elevator? Oh, the elevator's right here.
Right here.
I'm not taking the stairs.
Why
I
not?
don't know what those are.
My butt's sore. Oh man, that's scary.
That's
We're
really,
taking the elevator up
it'd be
here.
scary if it was in the dark.
Let's try
This
two.
is a different elevator too?
No.
This was the first one we came
Oh.
And the second.
Ooh, boom. Where's that? Here we go. Oh god, the door's shut and it's creepy.
They didn't do elevator.
Fire.
They didn't do elevator etiquette.
Oh.
They're supposed to let us up first.
Yeah, I know, they didn't care. Oh, this one's more classy.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one takes pies.
Oh my god.
Alright, well.
Well, aren't we just having some good luck?
Okay, does this one have M&M's?
What?
Yeah,
They're
peanut
M&Ms.
ones.
I hate peanut M&Ms.
Well, I can still get what I
I'm
wanted.
freaking
like
sad. Looks like I'm going to the first floor. Might as well take a look out the window. Man, this is ghetto. Ugh. That's out the window? That's sick. It's cold outside too. Oof. I'm mad. I'm freaking mad. It's me in the bed. Is someone gonna go to the first floor with me?
Yeah, I'll go after I get mine.
So she the money lady.
We're gonna use
She
the
the
stairs,
money
right?
lady. No, why do you have to use the stairs?
Just because the stairs are so much more fun.
I'm sore. I
Well,
don't
I'm not
wanna.
gonna go on the other. I'm not gonna go unless you go on the stairs.
Looks like I'm taking the stairs. I don't like the stairs. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Death. It's just straight death.